Hi besties, you all are welcome back to another video. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing you guys how I make this mouth-watering pancake from the comfort of my home. And if you are really interested in making this one, keep watching and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find this video really helpful. And if you are looking forward to making your own pancake, do not forget to watch from start to finish so you wouldn't miss a vital information on how to make your own pancakes. So in order to make this pancake, I'll be using 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of melted cold butter, 1 cup of milk, a cup of water. And for the dry ingredients, I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's optional. You can actually skip the sugar if you don't want any sugar in yours. And so after pouring the milk and melted butter with the help of a whisker, I will whisk these 3 ingredients until everything is well combined properly. I found that some people actually use vanilla essence on their pancakes. So when mixing the liquid, this is the right time for you to add in your liquid mixture, but I'm not using any vanilla essence or any flavor at all. So in another bowl, I measured out the amount of flour I'll be using. I measured out 2 cups of flour. This is 3 servings and is very much okay. So I measured 2 cups of flour and add in the dry ingredients. Then we proceed on. The first ingredient I'm adding here is 2 tablespoons of sugar. So be sure if you want more taste, you can add, but I want to make it very natural. So after that, I added in the sugar, the salt, and the baking powder. If you have your measurement, please make use of it. It is very important while baking any stuff. So I have to eyeball it while adding mine. So I went ahead to mix all the dry ingredients, the flour, the sugar, the salt, and the baking powder. Then after mixing together, I created a hole in the flour, then adding the liquid mixture that I set aside earlier. So after that, with the help of my spatula, I went ahead to mix together. This is to form a dough. So remember, while mixing, you are not going to be mixing this too much. Just gradually, you can actually add water. Just like mine, I added a little water to get things going. So you can actually add water to yours to loosen up things. Add water until you make sure the mixture is lighter. So guys, you all can see the mixture is still kind of hard. We are trying to get a lighter mixture, and in order to achieve that, I went on adding water gradually until I was able to get this consistency. Remember, we are making a pancake. We are not making some other stuff. Is actually going to be lighter so that we can be able to get that pancake feel. So the consistency is very much okay at the moment. But remember, as I told you earlier, you are not going to mix this mixture so hard, so it's not going to be too strong. Pancakes are meant to be soft, not as hard as chin chin, you understand? Mixing the dough too much is going to make it very hard, so you don't want that. So after mixing, I went on to turn on the heat and I greased my pan with cooking oil. If you have a butter, you can make use of your butter for this, but I used cooking oil for mine. You can use butter or any cooking oil of your choice. So guys, once the oil is heated well in the pan, I went ahead to grease the oil nicely around the pan. So this is to prevent the pancake from sticking on the pan. So after greasing the pan, I went on to pour in the batter. Guys, when pouring the batter in your pan, make sure you let the batter to spread by itself in the greasing oil. You don't have to touch the batter once you pour it into the pan. It's going to make a mess and the pancake is not going to come out nicely. And you'll also be needing this kind of spoon, a flat spoon, in order to flip the pancake over. So this spoon is very easier in order to make your pancake. And when you notice this sizzling at the top of the pancake, you know it is ready to be flipped over to the other side for easier cooking. Do not flip the pancake when the first surface have not cooked properly. It's going to make a mess if you try flipping it over, and it will definitely go out of shape. You don't want that to happen to your pancakes. Just take it slowly and make sure the heat is at the lowest when you are making your pancake so it will not get burnt as well. So if you're watching up to this moment, do not forget to click the like button if you find this video helpful. And if you're looking forward to more videos like this, I urge you to subscribe so you will get notified each time I upload a new video. And share this to your loved ones, your friends and family, and someone might be in need of this kind of video on how to make an easy pancake. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for clicking in. Thank you for tuning in back. I do not take you all for granted. I hold you all dear to my heart. So if you're looking forward to making your own pancakes, do not forget to follow the steps I took in making this mouth fluffy pancake. And I'll be leaving the ingredients at the description. Do well to check out the ingredients in order to make your own perfect pancake at home. So go get your own ingredients and make your own pancake for your entire family or for yourself. Enjoy this season with morning pancakes. Your kids will love it. Your family members will love it. So I'll be seeing you guys on my next one. So stay safe and remain blessed always.